Hi friend, I am Sudeep. Welcome to my YouTube channel Pharmacy MCQ Guide. Now today we discuss the topic blood part 2 MCQ. Now today the first question is the first question is the characteristics erythrocytes found in the pernicious anemia. What at first we know that what do you mean by the pernicious anemia? What do you mean by the pernicious anemia? Actually, pernicious anemia occurs due to the lack of the vitamin B12. Okay, pernicious anemia occurs due to the lack of the mature RBC due to the lack of vitamin B12. Okay, so option number A the microcytic, option number B hypochromic, option number C macrocytic, option number D spherocytic. Actually, option number A microcytic means microcytic RBC means microcytic RBC or microcytic erythrocyte means actually erythrocyte is the another name of RBC, red blood cell. So microcytic RBC means the microcytic RBC is one type of RBC which has a shape less than normal shape. Means these types of RBC is the size of this type of RBC less than the normal size. Option number B hypochromic. Hypochromic means the amounts of the hemoglobin present in this type of RBC is less than the normals. Means one side the hemoglobin present, as for example 15% hemoglobin present in normal RBC, but in case of the hypochromic RBC 8% hemoglobin is generally present. So this is a different, means amounts of the hemoglobin is less in case of hypochromic RBC. Option number C macrocytic means the larger size of the RBC than normal. Option number D spherocytic means spherocyte cells are present. Where spherocyte cells are present in the RBC, that is called as the spherocytic RBC. So the right answer is option number C macrocytic. In case of the pernicious anemia, the RBC size is generally larger than the normal size. So the right answer is option number C. Question number 2. After the removals of the RBC from the circulations, hemoglobin is broken down. Option number A iron, porphyrins and amino acid. Option number B heme, protopyrin and amino acid. Option number C iron, protopyrin and globin. Option number D heme, hemosiderin and globin. The right answer is option number C iron, protopyrin and globin. Actually, what do you mean protopyrin? Globin is one type of the protein, and protopyrin is the precursors of hemoglobin. Okay, so the right answer is option number C. Question number 3. Which stain is used in the microscopy for staining the blood smear? Option number A methylene blue, option number B safranin, option number C Leishman stain, option number D carbolfusin. The right answer is Leishman stain, generally used in the microscopy for staining in the blood smear. Question number 4. Which types of the cell is most abundant in the human body? Which types of the cell is most abundant in the human body? Option number A RBC, option number B WBC, option number C platelet, option number D all of the above. Actually, RBC is one type of the cell which is abundant in the human body. So the right answer is option number A. Question number 5. Rh factor first source from which source? Rh factor first source from which source? Okay. Option number A sheep, option number B house, option number C monkey, option number D dog. So actually Rh factor means rhesus factors. So this factor is derived from the animal monkey. Rhesus is one type of monkey from which Rh factor was first discovered. So the right answer is option number C monkey. Question number 6. The only part of the blood where no blood is seen. Name, give an example of part of the body where no blood is seen. Option number A cornea, Option number B, heart. Option number C, kidney. Option number D, retina. So the right answer is cornea. Cornea is the only parts of the body where no blood is seen. Question number 7. Which organ is called the blood bank of the human body? Which organ is called? It is one type of interesting question. Which organ is called blood banks of the human body? Option number A, spleen. Option number B, thymus. Option number C, liver. Option number D, GIT. So the right answer is spleen. Option number A is the right answer. Spleen is called the blood bank of our human body. Question number 8. What is the color of the blood plasma? What is the color of blood plasma? Option number A, yellow. Option number B, black. Option number C, red. And option number D, green. Actually, generally blood is divided into the two parts. Number 1, blood corpuscles. Number 2, blood plasma. So the blood corpuscle generally 3 types: RBC, WBC and platelet. RBC and platelet generally red color, but white blood cells generally white or colorless, but blood plasma generally yellow color. So the right answer is option number A, yellow is the right answer. Question number 9. Name of the smallest RBC. What is the name of the smallest RBC? Option number A, amphibia. Option number B, masked deer. Option number C, lymphoma. Option number D, none of these above. Actually, option number A, amphibia, is the biggest RBC. Example of the biggest RBC. Option number B, masked deer, is the smallest RBC. Option number C, lymphoma. It is one type of the cancer in the lymphatic gland. Option number D, none of the above. So the right answer is option number B, masked deer. Question number 10. What is the ratio of the WBCs is to RBC? Option number A, 600 is to 1. Option number B, 1 is to 600. Option number C, 5 is to 200. Option number D, 3 is to 300. But the right answer is 600 is to 1 is the ratio of the WBC and RBC in our body. Question number 11. What is the smallest size of the WBC? Option number A, lymphocyte. Option number B, monocyte. Option number C, basophil. Option number D, eosinophil. Generally, right answer is option number A, lymphocytes. Lymphocyte is the smallest types of the RBC. Question number 12. What is the shape of the red blood cells? What is the real shapes of the red blood cells? Option number A, biconcave. Option number B, biconvex. Option number C, totally flat. Option number D, all of these above. So the right answer is option number A, biconcave. The shape of the red blood cell is biconcave. Option number A is the right answer. Option number 13. In the blood plasma, which amounts of the blood present? In blood plasma, which amounts of the blood present? Option number A, 90%. Option number B, 85%. Option number C, 100%. Option number C, D, 70%. Generally, actually the question is wrong. In the blood plasma, which amounts of the water is present? Okay, the question is slightly wrong. This correct question is in the blood plasma, which amounts of the water is present? Option number 90% of the water is really present. Question number 14. In case of the newborn baby, so it is the interesting question. In case of the newborn baby, RBC is produced in option number A, liver. Option number B, bone marrow. Option number C, spleen. Option number D, none of these above. Actually, in case of the newborn baby, RBC is generally produced in liver. Okay, but in case of adult person, spleen is the right answer. But in case of the newborn baby, RBC is generally produced in the liver. Option number A is the right answer. Last question means question number 15. Nucleus is totally absent in which corpuscle? Generally 3 types corpuscle. Option number RBC, WBC, platelet. In which types nucleus is totally absent in which types of the corpuscle, blood corpuscle? Option number A, RBC. Option number B, WBC. Option number C, platelet. Option number D, all of this above. So the right answer is option number A, RBC. In RBC, nucleus is generally absent, totally absent. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe my video.